Is accidents the most prevalent, doctor?
Well, today accidents are a big part of it. A little bit of history. The famous sexy movie actress from the 50s, Jayne Mansfield, came into my hospital in 1965. I was there, and she had gone through the windshield of a car and was beheaded. So the reason I mentioned it is because of that, the safety glass was instituted. We don't see those huge disabling wounds now because of good science and good politics. You know, we made it a law that cars had to have safety glass in them.
Exactly.
But that gave us a different problem because people then go through the windshield and they get multiple small cuts everywhere, but they're not life-threatening like some of the ones we used to see.
Exactly. Now, we do have some of those examples that I want to show our viewers from traumatic injury. So let's take the first one, and maybe you could tell me what happened here with this gentleman under the lip.
All right, this is difficult because I have to brag, it's a good result. This guy had no lower lip.
Really?
No lower lip. And it was from a fight in jail where another prisoner bit the entire lower lip off.
Oh my goodness.
So this is now about 3 months after the surgery, and we used the cheeks and other local tissue to rebuild a lower lip, and looks pretty good.
I think it looks fantastic. Very right to brag about it, doctor. No doubt about it.
The initial pictures are tough to watch.